Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Windows 11 lagging and slow. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up the Windows settings tab and navigate to privacy and security tab. Access general and toggle off all of the sliders. Then turn speech feature off. After that, scroll down towards the bottom of the site and turn off every feature that you think you don't use, like location, camera if you don't have one, phone, contacts, call history, and etc. Now close the settings, head over to your search bar and search for sysdm.cbl. Now change the performance options to best performance and close it after saving the settings. Now open up the taskbar, navigate to startup apps and disable apps that have a high impact. And that's it. This is how you can fix Windows 11 lagging and slow. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.